What's up, dude? This is Ryan, and we're doing another Transformers review. I have a request from a friend of mine, and he wanted me to showcase him some of my old Transformers collections, and this is one of them. This is one of my AerialBots, and this is Air Raid. As you can see, he is rather in acceptable condition, but the Autobot insignias on each wings have already been rubbed off. I've had about, let's see, this is another good 18 years ago, or close to 19 years. And this was given to me by a friend of mine. He told me, oh Ryan, you can have this one, don't have any use for this one. And I thought like, oh cool. And 19 years later, I still have this one. Now, Air Raid is part of the AerialBots, which he is one of the limbs of Superion, where Air Raid, Skydive, Slingshot, Silverbolt, and him all form to combine the Jesselt robot Superion. They are the first Autobots to become a Jesselt to counter Manasaur? I think so. But Air Raid does love surprises. He prefers to suddenly streak into a cluster of Decepticons, whether they're airborne or underground, or shooting at them for long range. And AerialBots do find him a bit obnoxious because of his he kind of likes and admires the Decepticons in the first few episodes of the Transformers, but then he realizes that they're actually the bad guys and stuff like that. And no matter his gung-ho, wild-eyed personality legitimizes his viewpoint to be rambunctious, but at the core of his actions is one goal that drives him above all else, and just to have fun. And that's basically who Air Raid is. Now, to transform Air Raid is pretty simple. So you take out his wheels in front, flip this one forward at the back, and put his thrusters at the back, fold his wings, and just pull this one, and it's quite hard already. Well, oops. Oh yeah, there we go. I haven't transformed this dude in like how many years now. But that's him. This is Air Raid. And he's not that tall. He's just like, yeah, that tall. So this is him, Air Raid. He can fly at speeds of Mach 2.5 and has a range of 1500 miles. He can also shoot air-to-air heat-seeking missiles. In robot mode, he carries a torque rifle, but I don't have it here. It doesn't really have it here when I got this figure. And he combines with his fellow AerialBots to form Superion. And that's about it for Air Raid. Pretty simple review. And yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing the other AerialBots, but I just wanted to show my friend what else I have. Some of the other AerialBots I had were just recent purchases, but this one has been quite old already. Alright, this is just a mini review of Air Raid. Alright guys, thanks for viewing. Watch out for my other reviews of Transformers. Till then, this is Ryan. God bless you all.